In this video, I'll be showing you how to the basis of copywriting. The basis of copywriting. How to write 1000 monthly sales copywriting for beginners. Yeah. A quick rundown of this video. This video is based on the fundamentals of persuasive writing by Bob Blay. So in this video, we'll be seeing a lot of examples and how we can make our writing persuasive through maybe perhaps virtually persuasive, and this include 8 different elements that we can use. Number one is to gain attention. Is to gain attention. It's one of the basis and fundamental principles of copywriting. Gaining attention, through your subject outline will make people to read your content, your write-up. Because if your subject outline is not properly structured, people will not read it. You can also use visualization to sell. You can tie your product, your pitch on somebody's head, and at the end of the day, you can make it to sell. Also, self-sales. I don't want to talk about this, but then it's one of the sex relationship. It's one of the things people are attractive. People, they easily give their attention to itself. So you can write about that. You can use exotic subject outline to grab attention. For example, now you can say how to steal $1,000 in a company without being prosecuted anywhere in the world. How to steal $1,000 in a company without being prosecuted. You see, when people see this headline, without wasting much of time, they want to know more about it because people are actually looking for money. Another thing is number two. You focus on customers. You focus on customers. Customers, they don't care about your product, but what the product can do for them. That's what the customer is in need of. So your content, your writing should focus on customers. You should care about customer. You care about customer. People care about themselves, not your product, and what your product can actually sell for them. And it's discovered that in this process, if they have other competition or other write-up, but when they see your own, how persuasive it is, your write-up, that will help them to justify in a logical way, whether to assess your own or to go for the other one. So your products or your writing should state what purpose and what they can benefit from it. It should be something that can give value to your product, to your customers. Also, you write from customer point of view. You don't write on your own view. You try to study the customer. What can they deduce from this? You make research before writing. So before you write anything concerning any niche or any product, or when you have your clients from the organization, you are expected to make research about customers. That is very important. Number three, you stress the benefit. You must make sure that the benefit is stressed. You must make it in a way that when they see it, of course they want to buy because what they believe they are going to get or access from the product. All copy stresses the benefit of its product and how it can improve customers' life. So you must stress the benefit, how you can improve customers' life. And when you mention a feature of your product, relate it to customers' problem. So the features of your product, for example, now you want to write about skincare, so you must relate it to the problem of your customer. We have benefits and not the same as specification. Benefits, they are not the same as specification. Specification is you are focusing on a specific niche, on a specific product. You are writing on a specific product. But now when we are talking about benefit is what they can get, what the customers can derive from your product. We have number 4, you differentiate yourself from competition. You look at the world of copywriting today, we have thousands of copywriters in the world. On Upworks.com, worksum.com, Fiverr, freelancer.com, all those. We have thousands of them, but you need to come out to differentiate yourself from this competition. I want to say that competition is the ingredient that fuels the engine that runs the world system. So you must give something that when people see it, they cannot argue with it. They have interest. In fact, they fall in love with it because your brand, your product, or your write-up come in a persuasive way. What are the main things that make your product different from your competitors? You focus on your strength. They may that may make you different. Your strength, you focus on it. And we have number 5. It proves you prove its case. You have to back it up with claims. Maybe you have testimonials. You back it up. You back up everything with proof, examples, people that have made use of it, and what are their comments. If you go to Google, you see a lot of feedback that people made. So you can include feedback of your product. And when your customers see that, they will not be skeptic about buying your product. Also, we have established credibility. Of course, people, customers, they are very skeptical, and they are afraid to invest or to put in their money in buying something that at the end of the day it may not work for them. So you must maintain credibility. You must be trusted. Your product should be something that is what trusted. Like Amazon, people are putting their product on Amazon.com and discover that they make a lot of profit because it has come to stay. It has come to stay. You build credibility. What people can trust, the trust people can get from you. You must ensure that people can get trust from you, showing that you are credible to your customers. Yes. Using social media proofs is you can make use of social media proofs. And then number 7, you build values. You don't go for quantities, you give quality. Show that your product is worth more than the price tag. The product you are offering, you must ensure that it's worth more than the price tag. There may be cheaper alternative, but your product will be cheaper in the long run because of the quality and reliability. When you discover that your products, they can derive value, quality from your product, of course, at the end of the day, at the long run, your product will be cheaper in the eyes of the customers. Yes, you stress the cost of ownership versus cost of purchase. Yours might cost 1,000 today, but save customers 2,000 over the course of the year. So you stress these two together, you put them together and make them know that this can actually help them. And the last one is you close it with what we call to action. CTA, call to action. So all what you are saying, everything about your product, you close it up with call to action. At the end of the day, and the call to action should not be something when you want to tell them that for you to access this product, you must follow 5 steps. No, it's too much. It's too much. You must give a clear and simple instruction for your customer to buy. Wave this into your copy as natural progressive. As you are writing your copy, as you are writing about the product, you need to be putting the link. Maybe in the middle now you write like five lines. You put the link, access now. Click the link to access. At the end of the day, you can also say at the end you say click the link below to get your free contract. Click the link below to get your product, and it will be delivered to you. You see, so you must make it in a very simple and instructive way that without stress. I hope you get value from this video, and that will be all for now. So see you in the next video. I'm Ayodele Michael. Thank you.